great combination of the perfect floor plan and ideal location. Hi, my name is Michael Dowling, proudly representing Pello Property, and it's an absolute privilege today to take you on this walkthrough, this wonderful property here in Gladstone Avenue in Ryde. Let's go take a look. The combination of an ideal floor plan featuring 4 bedrooms and 2 living areas is hard to find in this price range. However, what I think most buyers will love about this property is the ideal location. Set on the border between Ryde and Putney, that aspirational buyer looking for a Putney location at a Ryde price tag, this property could be the perfect one for you. With the perfect flat block, ideal location, and great floor plan for a growing family, properties with those combinations are surely hard to find in this area. If you have any further questions, make sure you reach out and give us a call. We're more than happy to help. Otherwise, we look forward to helping you at our next open home.